It's Will Beats.
Hey Dad, how about the money you promised me?
Junior, did something die in this house? You smell like a dead rat.
No, I can't smell anything.
Junior, talk to me again.
I said,
Ayo! Junior! You mean you have not been brushing your teeth in this house? Why is your mouth smelling like that?
me.
Did you swallow mushroom? Oh yeah, right now, go and brush your teeth. Go and brush your teeth, Ojere. Oh my goodness.
Hey Dad, you see, I just finished brush.
Yeah. Junior, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
I just brushed, sir.
What do you mean you are brushed? It is worse than before. People from your mother's village are after you. They must have pooping in your mouth when you slept at night. Yes, they do. How can a human being's mouth is smelling like this? Don't move close to me. Stay right where you are. You need divine intervention. See this one? It is bleach. Bleach your teeth. Soak your teeth for 3 days. Yes, you can now use this one to wash it. It will make your mouth smell like baby mouth. I finally use this one. This one they say it removes dirty odor, stains and odor from your mouth. Remove it. Just in case. One last one. Just use this one right here to kill all the bugs in your mouth. So go back and go and take all these things and wash your teeth, Ojere. Smelling like mortuary, smelling like dead body, smelling like okay wait. Nonsense. Oshisko.